You want to keep your chick, you better know her worth. Don't you ever start taking your chick for granted, and don't you ever have a false belief that don't nobody else want her, because there's a nigga in the bushes right now that's willing to do everything that you want. It ain't always about the bag, but it's a nigga with a big bag, big dick, big car, big chain, drop dead gorgeous, big smile that's waiting to take your spot. If you know what you know, you better treat her right. You better treat her right. It's not all about money. Sometimes you gotta go ahead and take a little stress off, but don't forget to run a bath water. Don't forget to rub a little feet at the end of the day. Don't forget to take out the trash. Don't forget to help a little bit. You can wash dishes. Don't trick yourself out of a good woman, because there's a nigga that he waiting in the cut and he just snatch her the fuck up.
Yeah, you should never, ever get too comfortable and complacent in your relationship, in your position that, you feel like you want to slack. You feel like you don't want to care. You feel like you want to just do whatever you want to do. Don't care about the other person's happiness because, just because she loves your dirty draws, just because you think she would never, and she says she would never, she can. She can. Okay? Just because she's showing restraint, just because she's showing willpower, does not mean that she can't go and do the opposite. As the saying goes, what one person won't do, another will. A man is the easy thing to get. A good man is what we say is hard to find. But a man, just to fill a void, whatever that void may be, yeah, that's not that hard to do. There's always one lurking around the corner. There's always one looking. Always one ready to take his spot. So, it's your woman that's keeping them at bay. So, I don't understand how a person ever gets to that point in place where they're just that cocky and confident, that they just do whatever. They don't take care of home. I don't understand that. I never have. I was in college with a guy who was cheating so much on his girlfriend, his high school girlfriend. That man slept with so many people in college that it was ridiculous. And, I told him, because he was just so cocky and confident that she wasn't doing anything. And yeah, that's my high school girlfriend, blah, blah, blah. Now, she's not doing anything. I'm the only person she's been with. How do you know that? Like, why are you so cocky and confident about that when you're out here just swinging it around everywhere, hitting everything, walking, and you think for some reason that she's at school just being just a complete angel, and she's just so oblivious. And they eventually got engaged and married, but you think it's possible. It is possible that she only was ever with him. But if she was, it was her decision. Don't think that they can't do what you're doing or fill the void that you're leaving because they can. Don't ever get cocky and confident that you let somebody come in your spot. But I'll see y'all in the next video.